Take a look at the profile photos of your Facebook friends. How many really look good? How does yours look? This tutorial will show you how to create a Facebook profile photo that will make you look good using Photoshop Elements and a color correction plugin called iCorrect Portrait. I selected an image. This is a photo of me on my birthday a couple days ago that one of my granddaughters took. And the first thing we need to do is to crop the photo. The face on this expression is not too bad, but I certainly don't want my stomach shown in my profile picture, so let's do a little cropping. So we'll select the crop tool, and I'm going to use the photo ratio as the aspect ratio. Place around the photo and the face. Good, we click OK. Now the next thing to do is the color. This color is a bit dull, and we could use some of the features that are built into Elements. I'll click on Enhance. There's an Auto Smart Fix. Let's click on that and see what that will do. That still has a yellowish tint and still sort of dull, so we'll undo that. Now there's another auto one that you could use, and that's the Auto Levels. And that's a little bit better, not quite as dull, a little brighter, but still has that yellow cast to it. Now fortunately I have Pick the Colors iCorrect Portrait plugin installed on this machine. And one of the strengths of iCorrect Portrait is some great skin tone technology, which is really tough to get in using Photoshop tools. So we open the plugin and check the auto white and auto black. That sets the tone range. Next thing we would want to do is remove the color cast. This scale emblem shows that the color cast removal algorithm is activated, so we want to click on something that is neutral. Now neutral is white, black, or gray. And this is really much better, but maybe a little bit bright on the skin tone, so we'll click the skin tone algorithm, little face icon, and we'll click on a couple areas of skin. And voila, we have perfect skin tones. Basically finished. I generally like to sharpen the image. This camera that we use is simply as a 5-megapixel camera, so we'll add a little sharpening to it, which is done automatically when we click OK, and we're finished. Now when I upload images to Facebook, I like to limit the pixel count to around 1024. So we'll need to resize this image. Click on the resize, image size, and type in 124, and click OK. And that looks pretty good. Now let's save it. File save as. We'll put it where we found it. Let's call it Wayne-profile-1024, and we click save. We always select the highest quality on the image option category, maximum, and click OK, and we have a JPEG image that is ready to be uploaded to Facebook. That's all you need to do. So all it took was a little cropping and the right color correction tool to create a really good Facebook profile photo. So why not take a few minutes to create a new one for yourself? But before you start, you will want to get a copy of iCorrect Portrait. Just go to www.pictocolor.com/portrait.htm or simply Google iCorrect Portrait. iCorrect Portrait is a handy color tool to use on all your photos to make the color right, even those that don't include people.